Why attachment makes you blind? Let's decode this. The point number one is you stop seeing what is actually happening. When you are attached with someone, you start interpreting that person in a different way. You give more focus on their potential. You give more focus what they are saying, what they wanted from life, and you start glorifying every little thing about them, and you just start loving hope rather than their actual behavior, and you give your more focus what they could become for you in future, because you start living in a delusion that you would have a beautiful life with that. So so what happened in actual, their actual behavior tells a different story. And the reason number two that makes you blind, you start explaining away every red flags. When you're attached with someone, आप उसकी हर नेगेटिव चीज़ को पॉजिटिवली देखना शुरू कर देते हैं. इफ़ he said something in anger, you would say he was very stressed, right? If that person is not calling you, you will assume that हाँ he would be busy, उसके पास टाइम नहीं होगा, वो स्ट्रेस्ड होगा, उसने गुस्से में ऐसा बोल दिया है, ही डिडंट मीन दैट, उसका ऐसा मतलब नहीं था. सो एवरी रेड फ्लैग यू स्टार्ट ignoring, you start explaining according to your hope, your attachment level. So ultimately what happens, instead of asking whether their behavior is acceptable to you or not, you start justifying their inconsistency, their rude behavior. So here the question arises, what are the factors, what are the reason because of that you are not able to see clearly their this irresponsible behavior? So the reason is this: अटैचमेंट इज इमोशनल एंड रियलिटी इज फैक्चुअल. तो आपका अटैचमेंट ये बोलता है व्हाट इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, व्हाट इफ ही चेंजेस, क्या हुआ अगर वो बदल गया, व्हाट इफ थिंग गेट्स बेटर, अगर आगे चल के चीज़ें अच्छी हो गई, ऐसे ही बना रहा तो. बट रियलिटी इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. रियलिटी इज कंसिस्टेंटली शोइंग यू डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑफ देयर साइड. So the problem lies because you find hopes better than reality. So you feel better living in hopes, potential, that future would be beautiful, better, smooth. तो आप उन्हीं ख्यालों में ही खोए रहना पसंद करते हैं. इस वजह से आप रियलिटी को सामने होने के बावजूद भी इग्नोर करना शुरू करते हैं. With this, another question arises: how would you know that you are attached with someone? You are using that attachment lenses to see someone. तो आपके बिहेवियर में क्या क्या चेंजेस आएंगे? एंड दैट आर, you ignore patterns because of some good moments. You give more focus on words than actions. And you defend that behavior, and you defend the behavior that hurts you. You stay with that person because of potential. You feel that future would be smooth, bright with that person. Sometimes it happens you feel anxious being with this person, but you keep convincing yourself that everything will be fine. So these are the signs, or I can say your mindset, your thoughts, your behavior you execute when you are attached with someone. तो अगर आप इस लेंस से आप किसी को ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, my dear, you need to be very careful. You are attached with person, so you need to take a back step. और आप देखो, समझो, are you attached with right person or not? So now, if you are attached with wrong person, what it can cost you? It can cost you so many things you can never imagine. It can cost your peace, your confidence, your standards, your self-respect. And because of this wrong attachment, you tolerate more than you should. You stay longer than you should. And you keep waiting for that false evidence that match with your hopes. But nothing is going to happen like this. So my dear, if you are attached with wrong person, there would be a moment thing will start changing. And how would this happen? You actually start asking to yourself, what is happening here? Instead of you were asking yourself earlier, how do I make this work? आप खुद इन चीज़ों को, इस रिश्तों को कैसे संभालेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, ये पूछने की बजाय आप ये पूछना शुरू कर देते हैं जब कि क्या हो रहा है मेरे पास. तब ये चेंजेस आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, तब वो शिफ्ट आता है. आप ब्लाइंड अटैचमेंट से आपकी आंखें खुलनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. and when you stop chasing explanation and you stop chasing for hidden meaning in words, उसने जो बोला नहीं आपने समझ लिया, ये चीज़ें जब आप करना बंद कर देते हैं तब वो ब्लाइंड अटैचमेंट से शिफ्ट होना आप शुरू करते हैं, आपकी आंखें खुलनी शुरू होती हैं. So my dear, I would say always keep your eyes wide open when you are being attached to someone. Observe their pattern, their consistency, their efforts. If you fall for wrong person, it will cost you extreme peace of your life, quality of life, and standard of life, and sometimes even your self-respect. So be very wise, take a pause, observe, think deeply, and then be attached with person. It's your life, it's your decision making. Take good care of self. I hope this video would have given a little bit value. If you really feel like this, subscribe my channel, share my video. I'll see you in my new video with new topic. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, keep shining. Bye.